How to use your course workbook. Have you taken a Teaching English training course? Did you know that every Teaching English open learning course includes a downloadable workbook which is full of extra resources and reflective activities to help you get the most out of your learning? How can you use the workbook? Work through it individually, with other teachers, or after the course ends for deeper learning. How does the workbook support learning? Different sections and prompts help support your learning and professional growth. Assess your knowledge, plan what you're going to change, and reflect on what you've learned. How can you make the most of your workbook? Use a reflective cycle throughout your course to turn experience into learning. Try new ideas, reflect on the changes, and refine your approach. Making reflection a habit will help you grow as a teacher and better support your learners. Make learning stick. Download your course workbook today for a lasting impact on your teaching.